With this lantern, you will need 5 envelopes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we will start by folding the envelope in half to make a score, and also half this way just to make a mark. You can do that with this, or you can do that with a pencil. And from here, you're going to turn to this side, and what you want to do is link the middle mark right here with the middle mark on the top. So it's a triangle fold this way, and you can use this to smooth it out. And again, from here to here, triangle fold. And you do it for all 4 sides. Middle, middle, fold, and again, middle, middle, fold. You do this for all 5 pieces. Fold in half, and then score the top and the bottom half. And then you fold, linking top, bottom, till you get all 4 done. On this side, again linking all 4, folding all 4 corners. And then you have a whole stack of 5 looking like these. And then you start taking the 2 top corners and you link them together. You use stapler and stapler along the line for these, just like that. And again, linking the next one, you staple them together. Just along the line. Once you staple all 4, you have the last piece to staple together. Again, just staple them together. And then linking this so it becomes all linked together. And again, link on the top. There. And then after you've done the top, you do the same thing for the bottom. And again, along the line, just like that. Oops. Make sure your stapler is coming out. When you staple all 4 sides together, leave the last side so that on the top and the bottom, so that you can put your string together. With this, I would recommend putting staple it onto a piece of paper like that. Just fold the piece of paper and staple. Oh, you can staple it together. So once you staple the string together, make sure they stay together. Make sure you staple them together. I kind of tie the string together so it won't come off. I fold this up so it's kind of fluffy. You can slide it in here and then you can staple this off. The same for the bottom. You will put this together, fluff the piece up a little bit so it won't come off. Slide it in and then staple the bottom. And then you finish your lantern. You can leave it looking like this, or if you want it a little fancier, you can staple all these flaps together like this, so it would have a different look. Here's the lantern complete with all the flaps stapled together.